We've conducted the post-mortem examination on the body of the late, and we have conclusively come up with the cause of death as hemorrhage or blood loss and infection due to prolonged labor, which was also obstructed labor.
Nataka niseme huyu mama wakati aliletwa hospitali siku ya Friday on 1st, she had stayed at home for some time, and she had been referred to a private facility. She was brought to the Mwingi Hospital like after 3 days. That is prolonged labor. When she arrived at the hospital, she was taken to the theater, but unfortunately, she got the urge to push and therefore delivered normally, which what we call a spontaneous delivery. Mtoto alikuwa weak vile waziri amesema. Madaktari wetu wakajaribu kuresuscitate mtoto lakini tukampoteza.